What's up, guys? I'm gonna teach you how to do a smooth reverse effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, right-click on the FX button, then go to Time Remapping and choose Speed. Go to the halfway mark of your footage and input a keyframe by holding Command. Then drag the line down or up to decrease or increase the speed of your footage. Next, drag the handles above to the beginning of your footage and place a cut right where it starts to slow down. Then right-click and choose Speed Duration. Change the time interpolation to Optical Flow. Then duplicate your layer by holding Alt. Right-click and choose Speed Duration, but this time click on Reverse Speed. Drag the second footage over, then go to Sequence, Render In to Out. And there you go. Let me know what you think about this, guys. Hit that like button for your boy, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace!